Dear friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Details like room size, bed type, room amenities, facilities, and images, etc. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is outstanding. It's not too much surroundings. In the reviews or sorry. Enjoy your stay. If you are planning to provided in the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in the next video with new property. Be safe, be happy.